Mastering idioms. Playing the clock, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of idioms, specifically the phrase, play the clock. Idioms can be tricky, but they're essential for fluent English communication. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Play the clock is an idiom often used in various contexts. The literal meaning might not make immediate sense, which is common with idioms. This phrase typically refers to using time strategically. It's often used in sports, games, or situations where time management is crucial. Examples in sports. In sports like basketball or football, a team might play the clock by slowing down their play to maintain a lead as the game nears its end. Here, the strategy is to let time run out to secure a win. Examples in daily life. Outside of sports, playing the clock might refer to managing time effectively to meet a deadline or to delay a decision. Understanding the origin of an idiom can often help in grasping its meaning. The phrase, play the clock, likely originated from competitive sports where time management is a crucial part of the strategy. It's a metaphorical extension of using a game clock or timer to one's advantage. Practice sentences. In the debate, she played the clock brilliantly, using her time to make strong points. Our team decided to play the clock in the last few minutes to secure our lead. Tips. 1. Remember, use this idiom in contexts where time management, strategy, or delay tactics are involved. 2. Don't take it literally. Think of it as a metaphor for strategic time use. And that's a wrap on the phrase, play the clock. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your conversations. Remember, mastering idioms is a big step towards fluency in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to play around with the language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.